In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create text property in Figma. By the end, you will know how to make a component's text easily editable and consistent across all its instances, which is perfect for things like buttons, tags, and labels. Start by selecting your main component, not an instance. This is important because properties can only be created on the source component. If you click something and you don't see the Properties panel on the right, you've likely selected an instance instead. You can double-click into the component or choose it from the Layers panel to be sure you are on the right element. With the main component selected, look to the right-hand sidebar for the Properties section. If it's collapsed, expand it. Click the plus icon and choose Text. This tells Figma you want to create a text property that can be reused and controlled. Give your property a clear, concise name like button text, so it's obvious what it affects. Then set a default value. This is the text that will appear whenever the component is used. Pick something representative of your most common case so you rarely need to change it later. When you are happy with the name and default, click Create Property. Next, link the property to the specific text layer you want to make editable. Still inside the main component, select the text layer itself in the canvas or in the Layers panel. If you accidentally select a frame or an auto layout group, you won't see the right controls, so make sure it's the actual text layer. With that text layer selected, look in the Content section of the right sidebar, click the Apply Text Property icon and choose the property you just created. This connects the text layer to your property. You'll notice the layer is now driven by the property's value, and the text field will reflect whatever default you set. From here, any instance of this component will let you change the text by editing the property value in the sidebar, instead of manually editing the text on the canvas. It keeps naming consistent, speeds up changes across variants, and reduces mistakes. If the Apply option is disabled, double-check that you are on the main component and that you've selected the correct text layer. If you ever rename the property, Figma will update the connection, so everything stays in sync. That's it. Thanks for watching.